Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning, April 6th. I'm glad you are checking in here. All right, it's our second week of distance learning. You guys did a great job last week of checking in, getting your attendance done, getting on Lexia, taking care of getting your work done. I had a lot of people send me some work to take a look at, show me you're getting things done. I will try and get back to you this week, telling you how you did on that and how much I appreciate you getting to me. But we're going to jump right in here to foundations. Got kind of a busy day today. We got a few new things coming at you, some science, a little bit of social studies, a little bit of... So we're going to have a kind of a lighter foundations lesson today. We're just going to go over some sound cards and get you moving into your other assignments. Make sure you pay attention to the math assignment. We have a new website we're going to use. You have all your usernames and everything will be there for you to log in, and it'll have assignments ready for you. I hope it's more fun than the worksheets we were doing last week. All right, but for foundations, remember, like I said, we're just going to go over some of the sound cards today. I will say the letter, the keyword, and the sound, and you will repeat it back to me. All right, for today's lesson, you will not, as you see on the bottom here, it says that you will need your writer's journal. You will not need that today, but you will need that tomorrow and the rest of the week. All right, so let's get into this. So let's see. You see my cursor? Let's go right here. N, nut, n. Good. K, kite, k. Y, yellow, y. A, apple, a. W, wind, w. O, octopus, ah. I, itch, I. I think that's itch or itchy. I'm going itch. It's always been itch. Now I'm starting to wonder. R, rat, r. Now here we have our digraphs. Let's do all of them. WH, whistle, w. TH, thumb, th. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. And last but not least, CK, sock, k. Remember, CK is always at the end of our list because CK is always at the end of a syllable. Doesn't necessarily have to be the end of a word, but it's the end of a syllable, right? Because there could be a suffix added to it. It could be anything. But these other four could be either at the beginning or the end. Or excuse me, WH cannot. WH is always at the beginning. TH, CH, and SH could be any of them. And CK is always at the end of a syllable. Here's our R-controlled vowels. Just going to take a quick look. AR, car, R. And we'll just skip down to the bottom. UR, burn, And here are our vowel teams. We have AI, bait, A. AY, play, A. EE, Jeep, E. Next to that is EA, eat, E. And EY, key, E. Trying to keep my cursor pointing where I want it, but it's a little tricky. OI, coin, oi. OY, excuse me. OY, boy, oi. OA, boat, O. OE, toe, O. OW, snow, O. Remember, OW can be two sounds. O as in snow, or ow as in plow. So let's try that one. OW, ow, plow. Then we'll move down here to some of our newer ones. Let's see. We have OU trout ow. And then OU is also OU soup ooh. Then we have next to that, we have OO school ooh. UE blue U. UE rescue U. And we have, last but not least, where's my cursor? There it is. We have EW chew ooh. So that's all we were going to go over for today. Tomorrow we are going to dive back into suffixes again. We're going to have a word talk, and we're going to talk about different words and how the suffix changes that meaning of the word or better describes what's going on or how you're trying to use that word. All right, and then we'll do some dictation again, get back to where we were. But as far as the rest of today's goes, please have a nice day, work hard, don't get overwhelmed, do the best you can. Reach out to me or Mrs. Hodge with any questions you have. We're happy to answer them. And just try to enjoy yourselves. All right? Take care.